the first statement I want to prove not sufficient. So you start writing it this way, that n square is an integer. That means n square may be 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Because 1, 2, 3, 4 are all integers. Which means n may be square root of 1, which is 1, or the square root of 2, which is 1.414, or the square root of 3, which is 1.732, or the square root of 4, which is 2, etc. Now we have answers sometimes yes and sometimes no. So you say that the first statement is not sufficient. Now you go for the second statement, which says square root of n is an integer. That means now you equate square root of n with 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Which eventually gives you that n is equal to either 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, etc. Which means n is either 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, etc. But in each case, because it's an integer, so the answer is yes, and therefore the second statement is sufficient, and the answer will be option B. So the very important thing in data sufficiency is to always try to prove that the given statement is not sufficient. Unless you do that, you won't be able to find out like we found out in the first statement. That's how we summarize DS questions.